Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Titusville, local, and long-distance movers. Near me. When you need to prepare for a long-distance move, it's essential that you identify and engage the best mover. 3 Movers is the right choice of moving vendor for your important job. Our professional movers have ample experience in household goods moving, and they will treat your belongings with the utmost care. It makes a big difference in your peace of mind if you find a moving company you can trust. Take the time to meet us in person when our representative comes to your home to complete the survey of what's moving. We will submit a detailed, clear estimate of the cost and explain all the long-distance moving services you can choose from, and some that you must have. If you want us to do the packing, you can rest assured that we will pack your goods with care. If you prefer to do that part of the work yourself, our team can supply the materials for you and give you some great tips to make the packing more manageable and secure. When you plan your local move around the Titusville area, make sure to identify the best mover for your needs. Having a great moving company on your side can make a move more straightforward and much less stressful. Look for a company that has a local address and isn't coming from too far away. Engage a vendor with experience in household goods or commercial moves if that is the project you are working on. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Titusville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.